Let's create. So sometimes you're in the situation that you want to do something quick and dirty and delicious. And I have this bison sirloin steak. I had this piece solitary. You cannot do a lot of different things. So you said, you know what? I still can make it delicious. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I make it delicious. So what I did is I use some of my stuff that I have in the refrigerator. I have a hot red pepper, some green onion, some red and yellow bell pepper. And I have my mojo verde, which I prepared the other day. I've used it for 2 or 3 other dishes. And because I still have some, I'm going to do some magic. So let's do some magic together. Here comes the magic. I have a cast iron, almost 100-year-old. And this grease you see here is from a duck that I cooked earlier. See the duck grease? You can use any type of oil, but I'm going with duck oil. Let's keep it gamey, huh? Let's keep it gamey. Let me put some salt. Why not? Let's get this baby. And what I got to do, I'm going to bring this baby here. And with my clean hand, put some salt, some pepper, well, the heat is transferring very fast, as you can see. So I decided to go 90 seconds to one side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it. Let me put some of these peppers here to soften them up a little bit. Why not? Put a little bit of the hot stuff. Cook this up for a couple minutes. See how beautiful? Just do the math. Couple minutes in one side, couple minutes in the other. I mean, you got a meal in like 5 to 7 minutes. Delicious, huh? See how beautiful it looks? Less than 5 minutes, you have something rolling. Something rolling. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put this baby to rest for about 5, 7 minutes. And you do that by transferring this to here. See? How beautiful, huh? I know some of you, some, not all, will be saying, he burned the steak. He burned it. Let me see something here. Let me show you something. Does that look burnt to you? Noting that this is bison meat. See? Nice. Bison meat, see? Some magic. Look at the bison. Cut, medium. I want medium. But bison standards. You could go medium rare. Put some of the nice peppers. Hot and bell, doesn't matter. Put this baby here too. Some of that green onion stuff. And if you want to put a little bit more, feel free and do so. Make it delicious. Make it bad, 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 baby. Oh, this smells good. Link in the description for how to prepare this mojo verde.